would give me a no.
Amid the all-round crackdown against possible threats to the United States and its allies, President Donald Trump on February 6th authorized economic and travel sanctions on the International Criminal Court. The sanctions would target the people who work on International Criminal Court investigations of American citizens or U.S. allies such as Israel. It is unclear how quickly the U.S. would announce the names of people sanctioned. The move coincides with a visit to Washington by Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who, along with his former defense minister and a leader of the Palestinian militant group Hamas, is wanted by the ICC over the war in the Gaza Strip. It is to be noted that the sanctions came after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu met President Trump on February 4th at the White House. The International Criminal Court issued arrest warrants in November 2024 for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his former defense chief, as well as a Hamas leader, Ibrahim al-Masri, for alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity in the Gaza conflict. In their decision, the ICC judges said there were reasonable grounds to believe Netanyahu and Yoav Gallant were criminally responsible for acts including murder, persecution, and starvation as a weapon of war as part of a widespread and systematic attack against the civilian population of Gaza. Rejecting the charges by the ICC, the Israeli PM Netanyahu had stated that the decision to issue an arrest warrant for him, his former defense minister, was made by a rogue prosecutor accused of sexual harassment and by biased judges who were motivated by anti-Semitic sentiments.
The decision to issue an arrest warrant against me, the democratically elected Prime Minister of the State of Israel, and our former defense minister, was made by a rogue prosecutor who's trying to extricate himself from sexual harassment charges, and by biased judges who are motivated by anti-Semitic sentiments.
It is noteworthy that President Donald Trump took a similar action during his first term as President of the United States. During the first Trump administration in 2020, Washington imposed sanctions on then-prosecutor Fatou Bensouda and one of her top aides over the ICC's investigation into alleged war crimes by American troops in Afghanistan. The 125-member ICC is a permanent court that can prosecute individuals for war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and crimes of aggression against the territory of member states or by their nationals. The United States, China, Russia, and Israel are not members.